going up in the Lincoln and getting that.
That's the name of it. Oh my God.
Heather.
Can I just find him?
Just this short. He's too little.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
There you go.
It's a little tipsy.
Yeah, Derek, don't turn so quick.
Well, he was trying.
I'll be right in 6 seconds. Oh my gosh.
Happy Easter.
Yeah, happy Easter to you.
I want to get a picture of Heather getting down in the flowers.
I should have 2 boxes full.
2 boxes full? That's a bit.
Oh, looky there! 1, 2, 3! Whee! Boy, you just... Yeah. Looking around the tree some more. There you found another one. Whoopee! Yeah, boy, you're doing all right. Now, flip around here. Over in here's eggs. Over here. That's it. Right there. Look at that. Boy, you'll find lots of eggs. Whee! Look at that. Yeah, look at that. Uh-oh, you got that in full. Okay, here we'll get another one. Okay, keep looking. See any more?
You're doing great.
Man, you're finding all kinds of eggs. Want me to hold that one? See any more? You don't have to hide them too hard, do you?
No, you don't.
Okay, we'll look at it.
Careful, we don't want you
There he goes.
Oh, shit.
God damn it.
Did you get that on film?
Sort of.
He's alright. See, it gets away from you. I like them when they scare me. You gotta do something really good.
The cake.
But let me with the cake. He's on his chair. He's trying.
Well, he's already moved down
Oh,
there.
look at all the cameras. Yeah.
Camera City.
When Jeff has yours, you can count on Jeff.
Oh, my word.
He's always there with the action.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Derek. Happy birthday to you.
Blow again.
Yay! You see that, Cookie Monster? You want to give him a quick kiss?
That's really on the ball.
Well, he was
You want to give him
worried.
a kiss?
I didn't want to miss.
Derek, you want to give that Cookie Monster a kiss? You give him a kiss and he'll give you a chocolate kiss back.
What?
You kiss him and he'll give you a chocolate kiss back. You kiss him. You want to kiss him? Give him a kiss. He's going to bite his cookie. You kiss his eye. You kiss his smiley face.
Yeah. Where?
You see the cookie in his mouth?
There.
You want to eat the cookie in his mouth? You want to pull that cookie off and eat it? You want to pull the cookie off and eat it? Or do you want to eat the eye? You pull the cookie off and eat it. Pull the cookie off and eat it. Yeah, pull the cookie off and eat it. You may. That's your cake. Oh, pull that cookie off and eat it. Huh?